Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start our English class. Today we are going to talk about chapter 5, page 102 on your textbook. Here we are, the title of the chapter 5 is It's a Great Story. Why the title is a great story? Because here most of the material is about the story. So the genre of the text, jenis teks uh, that belong to story is narrative text. Here we are talking about narrative text, yeah. Okay, let's start uh, talking about narrative text. Okay, the purpose of the narrative text. Jadi tujuan dari naratif teks itu apa? To tell a story, menceritakan cerita, entertaining, menghibur, and then informing, also informing ya. Jadi juga termasuk menginformasikan. Okay, that's the purpose of narrative text. Okay, here we are talking about the generic structure of narrative text. Generic structure main unsur kebahasaan ya, jadi bagian-bagian. There are three main parts of generic structure of narrative text. Ada tiga bagian utama. The first is orientation, ada orientasi. Orientasi itu sebenarnya perkenalan ya. It means tells about the setting in time and place and characters. Jadi pada bagian orientation itu termasuk menceritakan tentang tempat kejadian, waktu, dan karakternya, siapa saja tokoh di dalam cerita tersebut. Dan next is complication. Complication ini adalah part 2, bagian yang kedua dari cerita. Tells about the problem or problems to be solved by characters. Jadi di sini berbicara tentang problem yang ada di cerita dan yang akan dipecahkan oleh karakter tokoh-tokoh yang ada dalam cerita. Next, the last part is resolution. Jadi bagian yang terakhir itu adalah resolusi, yaitu describe the solution to the complications and gives an ending to the story. Jadi di sini menggambarkan tentang solusi dan komplikasi dan masalah tadi, menyatakan ending dari cerita tersebut ya. Oke, ini dari generic structure. Jadi kalau ditanya what is the generic structure of narrative text, maka jawabannya adalah the generic structure of narrative text is orientation, complication, or resolution. Atau bisa jika ditanya what is the part atau tell us the three part of generic structure. Sebutkan tiga. Jadi bagian dari narrative text yaitu orientation, complication, dan resolution. Oke. Tadi kan kita bicara narrative text. Jadi here I have typed for you a text, a narrative text. So here I want you to read the text. After that, you answer the question that related to the text. Okay, look at this. Answer the following question, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you read the text and then you answer the question that related to the text. Okay.